How to join Grammarly affiliate program. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to join Grammarly affiliate program, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So if you don't know yet Grammarly, you're in a big mistake because Grammarly it's awesome. So, what is Grammarly? Grammarly helps people communicate with confidence across devices and platforms. Their AI-powered suggestions appear wherever you write. So I think I have Grammarly here, so I'm gonna try open a document, in a black document. So if I begin to write in English, they're gonna correct my mistakes. So I have Grammarly here. This is an extension, so you can click here. This open Grammarly, so correct your spelling is just being okay, and some others like corrections like misplaced words. Let me see again, misplaced words or phrases, or punctuation in complex sentences. But if you want to correct that, you must go premium, and here you can try for free just for that, but in the future this is gonna have a price, $12 per month. Probably they have the option to get a free trial, but this is great. Obviously, especially if your native language is not English. So this is a great tool if you want to have a better English with your clients or whatever. So they are coaching over 30 million of people and 50,000 teams every day to improve their correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery of their writing. So this is great. And as I've showed you, Grammarly Premium elevates communication for individual students and professionals. For instance, if you're writing your thesis to get graduated from your university and so on, even if you are a native English speaker, this is going to help you to find better sentences and ways to build your sentences, as you know what I mean. So by now, I'm gonna show you here in their homepage. I'm gonna close these tabs. Let's wait just some seconds. Okay, I'm gonna sign out by now. Yes, sign out. Oh no, I don't want. But I suppose I will have to do that by now, because this is the homepage. This is what you are going to look to view if you get into grammarly.com at first. So they are gonna let you know how this works, where you do. So as I showed you here in Google Docs, but this is useful too for some other softwares like Discord, LinkedIn, or even platforms like Word. So you have a big variety of softwares where you can use Grammarly. And if you keep and continue to scroll down here in company, you're gonna find affiliates. That's what we are here. How to be an affiliate, how to become part of the affiliate program of Grammarly. So I'm going to become an affiliate. If you want, you can scroll down and you're gonna find some more data. So for instance here, sign up in under 60 seconds, place a banner and write a post to receive an activation bonus and start earning big. And there are some frequently asked questions. In the future we're gonna, or why not by right now. Can I become an affiliate? I'm gonna show you these by now because I've tried to become an affiliate of some other platforms and this was not able because they have big conditions in order to become an affiliate. So for instance, in booking.com, you have to be an influencer about just this travel related content. And if you're not, even if you have a big audience, I don't know, related to video games or so on, you're not going to be able to become an affiliate. So here, can I become an affiliate? So let's check. Your chances of being accepted into Grammarly's affiliate program are highest if you produce content that is relevant to Grammarly's mission and is well maintained, current, and appropriate. Okay? So I guess they are asking as well for language or English related content. But perhaps if you have a big audience, you're not going to have any problem with that. So I'm going to go back just to show you how is the process to become an affiliate. So this is split on 4 steps: the account details, user details, additional questions, and user agreements. So first of all, you must to write your company name, the website, the address number 1. By now I'm going to place this. Address number 2, the city, the country, region, zip code. I'm gonna check this. And the phone. And click on next. Now, apply to our network by submitting your information below. Not your company, but yours. So I'm gonna place this, my email address, my password, and to confirm the password. And click on next. And now apply to our network by submitting your information below. So the website. This is important because probably you are from a different country. I understand non-US payments are available by bank wire only in USD. Please ensure your bank account accepts USD if you are outside the US. Checks only available to US residents. Grammarly does not make payments via PayPal to any affiliates, because perhaps another affiliates programs pay through PayPal or so on, but this is not the case with Grammarly. Be careful with that. And also, I understand I cannot place any Grammarly affiliate links or link outs on Pico workers, micro workers, or any similar site. So you just must accept. I understand. Write the website again. And again, the user agreements, just to I agree, and that's it. Obviously, I'm going to repeat it again. They are going to study your data. They're going to evaluate if you are able to become part of the affiliate Grammarly program. And I hope that's your case. And that's it. I don't have anything else to say. You can check some more data about commissions and so on if you are really interested. And at least I hope you have a really big audience, because if you don't have that audience, this is gonna be quite problematic. Before finishing the video, I'm gonna show you the commission because I think this is important. So our unique commission structure gives you the chance to earn twice. So 20 cents per free, no payment if required, as me, for instance, account sign up, and $20 per premium upgrade. That's cool. So if perhaps you have convinced 5 people to become part of Grammarly and they really liked and pay the premium Grammarly, so you're gonna receive $100 for that. So that's interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna finish in the video. So that's how you can join Grammarly affiliate program. Thanks for watching.